India's 2018 Tiger Survey has found a place in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the largest camera trap survey ever conducted. According to the survey, tiger population has in the past several years increased by almost 6%. Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, said the nation has fulfilled its resolve to double the tiger numbers 4 years prior to the target.
The tiger, the majestic cat, the pride of India, the unannounced king of Indian jungles which used to roam around the wilderness of India's jungles, inspiring countless stories, folklore, awe and admiration. Man's careless, wanton actions almost put it on the brink of extinction. But India's caravan with tigers has survived yet another sharp turn and now continues to trudge along, thanks to collective efforts in saving the big cat. After doubling up their numbers in just 12 years, India has added another feather in the campaign to save the tigers. India's tiger estimation for the year 2018 has entered the record books as it was awarded the Guinness World Record on Saturday for being the largest camera trap wildlife survey. Sharing the news on microblogging site Twitter, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar said that India was able to double the number of tigers in the country 4 years before the target.
We could complete the target 4 years before the target. Because yes, we have good ecology, there are good forests, there is good prey base, there is enough water and fodder, and now we are further augmenting water and fodder in many jungle areas through the Campa funds.
Tigers are a keystone species at the top of the ecological pyramid, and their survival is pivotal to the well-being of several animals, including humans. From 2006 to 2018, an annual growth rate of 6% in tiger population has been observed. Since 2006, 3 cycles have been completed in 2006, 2010, 2014 and 2018, which have shown a steady rise in tiger numbers. Camera traps were placed in 26,838 locations across 141 different sites and surveyed an effective area of 1,21,337 square kilometers. In total, the camera traps captured 3,48,58,623 photographs of wildlife, 76,651 of which were tigers and 51,777 were leopards. The remainder were other native fauna. From these photographs, 2,461 individual tigers, excluding cubs, were identified using stripe pattern recognition software.
We have laid the largest camera traps. No country has done so much exhaustive survey and counting and camera traps used for this purpose.
Apart from the unprecedented camera trap usage, the 2018 Status of Tigers in India assessment also conducted extensive foot surveys that covered survey of 3,81,200 square kilometers of forested habitat, effective camera trapped area of 1,21,337 square kilometers, foot survey of 5,22,996 kilometers, deployment of camera traps at 26,838 locations, human investment totaling 5,93,882 man days, generation of 3,48,95,267 camera trap images of wildlife. Out of these images, 76,651 images were those of tigers. The assessment was carried out over 3 phases, with the various data sets then combined to be extrapolated via statistical computation, which informed the final results published in the survey report.
The award has given a strong message to the world, showcasing India's commitment and leadership to tiger conservation. It is also a textbook example of Atmanirbharta through Sankalp Se Siddhi. With inputs from Preeti, this is Tapush Bhattacharya, TD India, Delhi.
And Additional Director General Project Tiger and Member Secretary National Tiger Conservation Authority, Dr. S.P. Yadav, thanked Guinness Book for boosting the morale of all the field workers.
This award recognition by the Guinness is a great morale boosting motivating to the field staff, front-end staff. I think that it is a very excellent example set by the National Tiger Conservation Authority and Wildlife Institute of India, and it is showing that the world is recognizing our efforts in tiger conservation.
And Dr. Yadav added that this achievement has happened with the help of advanced technology that has been used to estimate the number of tigers.
Since 2006, we have graduated, we have evolved and brought science into tiger monitoring, and camera traps were being used. So nowadays, more scientific methodology of tiger estimation is used. We use camera traps in large numbers, and based on their camera traps, these tigers are identified and their number is estimated. Tiger estimation, we do it once in a 4 year as an All India Tiger estimation process. It's a massive exercise.